Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm so glad to have you here. And if you are not new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today we are going to talk about edges. After a year of relaxers, chemical processing, and bed hair practices, many of us have lost, all but destroy our precious hairline. We have sacrificed our edges for beauty and style. But don't worry, I'm here to help you to reclaim your right to a full, healthy hairline. So before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead subscribe to my channel for more videos. And please, if this video it's useful for you, please share it with friends and family. And with that being said, let's get to it. Ponytail and puff in themselves are not bad at all. It's a quick and easy way to style your hair, but it become bad when you trying to snatch up every hair that's when it causes damage. And wearing one in the same place day after day can cause breakage. So keep your ponytail or puff loose and comfortable. To get a perfect puff like this one, you should be able to touch your hair down, to touch your head down in every direction without feeling anything pulled. If you do, loosen that piece of hair. And if you worry about your edges looking unkempt, use the gel and scarf method to lay down your edges. So if your braids or dreads cause pain when they are moved, bumped around your hairline, and changes in your eye shape, they are too tight. So let me tell you this. Some years ago, I lost the braids and the hair that was attached to it. Trust me, it was not cute at all after that. So learn from my mistake or risk looking like this in the future. So guys, be kind to your hairline. And if you braid your hair using extension or your natural hair, leave the fragile hair on your hairline out. If you can bear to give them the freedom, just make the braids in those area bigger and the rest to minimize, tension. Also, try to give your hair time to relax between braid style, at least 2 weeks if possible. Tools like flat iron, blow dryer, and hot combs rob your hair from moisture, especially when they are used on a regular basis. Also, heat abuse can, spell disaster, really disaster from fragile edges. For healthy looking hair like this, limit your heat usage and use the lower temperature needed to achieve the look that you want. But remember guys, every time you use heat, you risk permanent damage no matter how cautious you are. So guys, be very careful what you put in your hair because many products that we use to lay down our hair edges are filled with petroleum and mineral oil, which block moisture, and certain alcohol, which dry hair out. So using this product every day to achieve a certain look can lead to dry hair and certainly breakage. So to get hair like this that's fluffy without being weighed down, look for product that provide control without using damaged ingredients. If you prefer more natural option, aloe vera and flaxseed gel are good alternatives. So did I miss anything? Let me know your secrets to healthy edges in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And please guys, share with friends and family. And I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.